So, this is the second location of Scrubs R Us. I got a lot of renovation to do, but I am working hard to have uh, Scrubs R Us's grand opening. Scrubs R Us and more uniforms grand opening by the beginning of the year. Um, we got a lot to do. A lot. Y'all follow me on this journey. If you guys that don't know me, I love renovation. I love laying tile, putting up drywall, framing. I love doing all of that. So this is actually going to be, let's see, this is a complete renovation. This is a huge space. I took down the ceiling tile this morning, and I got more ceiling tiles to take down, but those are the air ducts and stuff like that, so I ain't wanted to mess with those until I'm ready to put the tile up for those. But you guys, this space that's back there is our fulfillment, is going to be our fulfillment center back there. Um, for you guys who follow me and have purchased my ebook and vendors list. And once you get your business up and running, you can come and place your order for your store, website, home-based business, whichever one you decide to do. You won't have to go and order from the vendors unless you just want to wait for shipping for it to arrive to you, and that's perfectly fine. But yeah, so I'm excited, y'all. This is my second location, and I'm dominating. I'm dominating the uniform market, like for real. We're gonna have at my first location. I already got police uniform, chef uniform, school uniform, hospitality uniforms, and of course nursing uniforms and accessories. We're working on getting all of our footwear and things like that. So you guys follow me on this journey. See that? This is going to be a complete rehab. But it's okay, because I got 3 months free. That's how you negotiate these terms. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I negotiated my terms. I let him know that, um, I'll clean up, I'll renovate. You ain't got to do that. Therefore, my rent will stay where I want it to be, and I get these 3 months free rent. So I'm excited. That's another thing you guys are going to learn. I'm going to teach you how to negotiate your lease agreement and things like that for you guys who purchase your vendors list and your ebook and everything. So y'all follow me. Follow me. Yeah, because this is exciting. It's exciting to, I'm building generational wealth. These stores, eventually, I'm going to purchase my own commercial space in the near future. And these stores are going to be handed down to my great grandchildren, That's what I'm thinking on. I'm not thinking just about making money today, making money just for me. I'm thinking about my generation because my next generation's after me. Because I don't want them begging and have to do things that um, uh, that compromises their integrity to get a job and keep a job. So, yeah, follow me on this journey. I got off work this morning, and that's what I'll be doing. Getting off work, spending an hour here, an hour there, in this location, and then after I close my first store in Sheffield Lake, I'll come out here. I do a few little things here and there, go home, lay down, get ready for work, because I work nights. So I'll get ready for work, boom, start all over the next day and do it all over again. but it's gonna be complete, and I'm excited to bring it to y'all. Hopefully this, my goal was to have my grand opening in December, but that's not gonna happen, because I got a lot to do. And it's just me. So y'all stay tuned. It's coming.